Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Informative Box Bengali. Today I am going to talk to you about a pulse oximeter. Pulse oximeter is a small device and it is a non-invasive and painless test. It gives you two readings. The first one is your pulse or your heart rate, and second one is oxygen saturation level or the oxygen levels in your blood. It can rapidly detect even small changes in how efficiently oxygen is being carried to the extremities farthest from the heart, in legs and the arms. Pulse rate and oxygen saturation level both are very important readings, especially in the context of COVID-19. That's the reason why I thought I should share this with you. Now, as you can see, in order to use this oximeter, you simply have to unclamp it like this and insert your finger into it. Now please remember one thing, that especially for ladies, you should not be wearing any nail polish, otherwise reading will not be accurate. You can insert either your index finger or third finger or fourth and ring finger. Okay, either of the three. If you don't want to use your finger, you can use your earlobe also. You can even attach this device in your earlobe. Now I am going to give you a demonstration. So just open up the device, insert your finger into it and press the on button. Now machine will get switched on and it will start taking the reading. It will give you 3 readings and you have to take any 2. According to this machine, my oxygen saturation level is 99 and pulse rate is 88-87. Now in order to switch off the machine, it simply have to unclamp it and leave it as it is. It is switched off its own. I don't need to do anything else. Let's come to the important part of this segment. What do these readings indicate? Let us first talk about the pulse rate. Pulse rate means the rate at which your heart is beating, the number of beats per minute. Now, if your pulse rate is between 60 to 100, then that's good. And if your heart rate is abnormally low, which means below 60, or if your heart rate is abnormally high, which means above 100 to, then you should immediately consult your doctor. Remember one thing, we are all common people, so do not get alarmed merely on seeing low reading. This information is only supposed to make you aware, conscious, not to frightening you. Okay, please remember that. Now let's move on the second part, that is oxygen saturation level in your blood. It should be more than 95 always. Then if it is 95 and above, you can be rest assured that you are fine. If it's falls below 95, you should become alert, and if it falls below 92, then you should contact your doctor immediately. And this is the only thing that you need to remember. Now why I am sharing this information with you guys, I am not a medical practitioner, I am not trying to sell oximeter or not promoting oximeter. Okay, then why I am sharing this information with you guys? Recently I have reading many newspaper that's many COVID patients are unable to even realize that their oxygen levels have dropped. Normally when oxygen levels dropped, at the time we realize certain symptoms. That symptoms could be exhaustion, discomfort, breathlessness. We would experience this, but what is happening to them is something termed as silent hypoxia, which means they don't even come to know this oxygen level have dropped. So that's why, in order to be conscious, in order to be good care to ourselves, it is recommended. And I would strongly recommend you guys, please, we should have an oximeter and we should monitor our pulse and oxygen saturation level on a regular basis. So do this for yourself and your loved ones, and please stay at home, stay happy, stay safe. Thank you very much for listening to me. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel Informative Box Bengali. Thank you so much.